Hey guys, Josh here with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I've got this brand new 2026 Bennington 23SSB. This is the swingback version. It's in Luminous Blue with the blackout lugs package. So you get the black rubber rail, black insert, all anodized black aluminum. This is a tri-tune, so we have the SPS package on this boat. Let's walk around to the back and I can show you some more. Hey guys, we're here at the stern of the boat. As you can see, this is the swingback. We've got the extended aft deck, ski tow bar, Mercury 200 horsepower V6 motor. With it being the swingback, this one actually has the retractable keeper rail, so you can actually move these guys over and lift this whole thing up and be able to face rearward underway. Or if you want to just hang out on the swim deck, you can put this back down in this position. Over on this side, we've got the lily pad ladder. Makes it super easy to retrieve and deploy into the water. It's spring assisted, it's spring and cable assisted. Let's hop aboard and take a look inside. Hey guys, welcome aboard the 2026 Bennington 23SSB. Up here in the front, we have a table center line, 2 chase lounges on either side. This is the sport package. So you can see the interior is a little bit different than the standard S series. We've got these great graphite inlays and all this nice piping and the stitching. Lots of room up here for storage under each side. These are roto-molded seat bases. They have gutters that channel water overboard. As we move back here to the helm, you can see we've got Bennington's new gauges on the helm here. We've got a Garmin Echo Map chart plotter fish finder, soft touch buttons for all your accessories. We've got our Rockford Fosgate audio, Rockford Fosgate speakers throughout the boat, tilt steering wheel. Down underneath, we've got a little lockable cubby as well as a wireless phone charger tucked away down there. This is the swing back, so we've got a port bench on this side, so you can sit here while you're underway. It's nice, you almost have an L-shaped layout, but then if you want to face rearward, you can recline this swing back and face rearward and enjoy the sun. Once again, this has the retractable keeper rail to be able to face rearward underway. This has the manual 10-foot bimini. Gives you lots of shade on the boat whenever you want to get out of the sun. Guys, if you want to check this boat out in person or you have any questions, give us a call or stop by our Greenville, South Carolina showroom.